I've been asked a number of times if the F16 can run sequences without the use of a Pi or FPP. Some referred to that as standalone. So if that in fact is your definition of standalone, yes, it can be done. Let's take a look. Now, this is an F16v4 build 30 of the firmware. You do need to have the audio board installed, and you do need to have an SD card installed in the SD slot of the F16 board itself. In DDP mode, you will notice that there is no option to see what's on the card or upload sequence files. If you change the mode, and either master or player will work, set it, the controller will reboot. And when that's finished, now if we look at the menus available, there's a player. And the player tab, of course, file manager. And this is where you would upload your sequences. You can do it here using this button. I'm going to suggest using Xlights. And I'm going to use FPP Connect. To send a sequence, upload a sequence to the SD card on the F16. So I'm just going to pick Holly Jolly Christmas. I'm going to choose, here's the F16. I'm using the V2 sparse. Include the media, and of course F16v4. These are selected. So let's upload that. Now, a couple of things are going to happen. It's going to upload the sequence file, and it's also going to upload the WAV file, the audio file. And the F16 requires a conversion of the WAV file, which it will do here in itself. And it does take a couple of minutes to do that conversion. Okay, FPP Connect has completed the file upload to the board, and if you look again now under the player settings, file manager, you will see that that sequence you uploaded and the audio file are here. So now if you navigate to the status tab, and you will see here at the bottom, there's a player. If you upload multiple sequence files, they'll appear here in a list. Right now I just have this one. And there you go. I'm going to stop this. So that is playing the sequence file and the audio directly from the F16. This scenario is, again, if you just want to use the F16 autonomously without a Pi, a Raspberry Pi, or using FPP, there you go. It's important to note here that you can't use this player as a show player. This is not a show player. This is simply a way to play sequences directly from the F16 in and of itself. So it will not send sequence data out to other controllers. We had a user that wanted the ability to play sequence files directly from the F16 without the need for a Raspberry Pi or FPP. What's cool about this box and this build is he also wanted local buttons on the box to be able to run the sequence files. So once you set this all up, you can then go into the web interface and program the push buttons to do a number of different functions, but in particular, play and stop sequence files right from the box. So he really liked this build. It worked out well. And listen, we appreciate you watching. If this video was helpful at all, please hit that like button and the subscribe button. And we certainly appreciate you checking it out. Thanks so much, and enjoy.